Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make my best ever cream cheese frosting. This recipe is not too sweet. It has the perfect cream cheese flavor. It's also very light and fluffy and flavorful. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started. So here's all the ingredients that you're going to need. You'll need some softened cream cheese. You need to use the block cream cheese, not the soft tub cream cheese, because that's way too soft for frosting. And you'll need some softened butter. You can use salted or unsalted. I like using salted. And you'll need some powdered sugar and vanilla extract. And so let's get started. So we're going to start off in a large bowl. Add in the cream cheese and the butter. And then beat them with an electric mixer on high speeds for 3 to 5 minutes until it's very light and pale. And you'll see after that time it has gone a bit lighter in color and it's very smooth. There may not be a noticeable change after beating, that's totally fine. Then next, you need to sift the powdered sugar. So add it into a fine sifter, set over a medium bowl, and then either shake it or use a spoon to push it all through. Sifting gets rid of lumps and it also adds air to the mixture. Once all your powdered sugar is sifted, add about half of it into the whipped butter and cream cheese mixture. Mix it with a spoon at first. And then beat it with the electric mixer on high speed for another 3 minutes. So after beating it for another 3 minutes, add in the rest of the powdered sugar. Mix it with a spoon at first. And then beat it with the electric mixer for about another minute or 2. And then add in the vanilla extract. Mix it in until it's combined. And then finish it by hand to mix in all the ingredients. And there you go, that's my best ever cream cheese frosting. And you can use this frosting to frost any cake or cupcakes you like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.